Their daughter means the whole world to them. For her, they would do anything, but they don't. Too many people die because they don't use their seat belts. Seat belts save lives.